Hey guys, remember, like and subscribe to this video and other videos. Thanks for watching, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome. Today I am on the river and we are using this mini hopper from Ozark. Look how nice that looks. And also I am going to be fishing with the dock runner from Ugly Stick, so we're going to see how this works, see what I catch. I have other stuff I'm going to use, but yeah, let's go. So we're going to set this up real quick. I always use a swivel when I'm using a whenever I'm using one of these. It's a little bit easier to put on. So let's look how nice this looks. That is so nice looking. I also have other brands too of grasshoppers. So we're going to see how it looks. Yeah, well, that comes out like that, and I dropped it, of course. Dropped everything. Look how nice that looks. Almost realistic. Pretty well put together. I love it. So let's go fishing, guys. And I always put a weight on my line too, just to get it down a little deeper. Other people tie them on. This is my setup. If it doesn't go on my finger, that's my setup. That's what I do. I feel like it moves more freely. So let's try to get in here as close as possible with all these rocks and everything. There we go. Oh no. Stuck already. Thought I had something, I was just stuck. Got excited. And grass on there. Look how nice that looks. So nice. There's probably not a lot in here. Never really is where I'm at. This little dock runner feels weird. Like I'm not used to fishing with something this small. Caught some grass. Look at that. Woo! Throw it back a little bit. See if anything. Now I was down here a few weeks ago, down by the bridge, and I caught a 2-pounder on a crawfish looking thing like these. So we'll see what's in here. Yeah, not a good cast. As I made a video before, these dock runners are good for being under tight areas and stuff like that. It's a little crooked. I might have to move down, different spot. Oh, I got something. What did I get? Ah, little smallie. Look at that. Nice little smallmouth bass. And these new hooks are tight. Look at that. Nice little smallmouth bass. There you go. Here you go, little buddy. Yeah, I like using these things. These catch a lot of bluegill, little smallmouth bass and stuff are always good with it. So usually what you catch down here in this area where I'm at, it's always smallmouth, which is not bad, but they're little babies trying to eat. Not bad casting for a dock runner. Yeah, where I'm at is in the heart of the steel industry, a place called Youngstown, Ohio. Fishing on the Mahoning River. This once was the heart and soul of Youngstown. Caught some weeds again. It's where the smallmouth bass and stuff love to thrive, in this river, in the grass and everything. There we go. Nice little cast. Get it out there. Yeah, this is weird casting with this thing. It's like a little kid's toy almost. I'm probably gonna move down towards the bridge. See what I can get down there. So let's do that. Well, that didn't work. Because this was on too tight. There goes my new lure. That was not good. That was a big bass. I could tell. 100%. Well, there goes that. Well, I didn't really catch anything else. I'm gonna go down further river in a different city and see if I could do anything there. They have a kayak docking area where you can fish, so I'm gonna go down there and try that. Yeah, that one smallmouth bass and that one that got off my line and snapped it, so that's still bothering me. So I'll see you in a little bit. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.